Hi, Elijah.
Hi.
Taking a picture of the door closer.
Yeah.
When is that one from?
from 2024. So here's this door closer here. It looks like an LCM because of this joint thing, and it has this thing right there to hold open. But it's listed for UL, so I don't know what's the deal there. So I'm just gonna demonstrate it for you real quick. It's nice and slow. Very fast sweep at the end. Interrupting my video, stupid. Anyway, I'll cycle it again one more time. Alright, then I'll move on to the next closer. And then here's this other LCM door closer.
There's a tip jar that's over there if you so are inclined. And you know what? The other thing too is, if you
Alright, then I'll move on to the next closer. And then here's this door closer. This is the final one. Alright, that's it. Thank you guys for watching.